Scheduling at work and having a way for your team to see what they need to work on can make getting things done smoother for your team, especially during times that are busy. The to-do list in FunctionFox allows members of your team to see what it is they are responsible for getting done. The page is divided up into 4 separate sections: today's actions, overdue actions, upcoming actions, and recently completed. These areas all function the same, though recently completed actions can no longer have time tracked against them. First, let's talk about the information you can see for an action. By default, you can see the categories across the top. The order of this can be changed as well by simply clicking and dragging. If you want to hide further info or have more info you want to see, click the 3 bars on the right and select what you want to have show on the bar. Keep in mind that the amount of information that shows will be based on screen size. The smaller your screen, the less information that can be shown at once. You can also change the priority based on a specific column. Clicking any column header will change what order the actions appear in. You can set 4 different columns for this, with the last column you set having highest priority. An example would be to have high priority and due date be the 2 criteria, with due date being the higher priority. First, click the priority column, then once set, do the same on due. You can double check this as well. Click the 3 bars on the right and it will show what columns have current priority. If you make a mistake on changing order or priority, simply hit reset to go back to default settings. With our to-do list now set to our liking, let's track some time against an action. You have 2 choices here. First, we can run a timer by clicking on the clock icon. This will turn the clock teal to let you know you have started a timer. If you want to turn it off, simply click on it again. The second option is to click menu and add to timesheet. This will open a timesheet window, allowing you to manually plug in the time you worked. When you have finished an action, find the status column and click on the status of the action you want to change. Change this status to complete and the action will be moved into the recently completed section. Have further questions about the to-do list or other areas of FunctionFox? Give us a call or send an email to staycreative@functionfox.com and we'll be glad to help you and your team stay creative.